Hey everybody, this is Mark and Denise with Majestic Labradoodles, where we have miniature Australian Labradoodles. This is Autumn's 8'4", 21 liter, and we've put them into a small area where today we're just going to focus on trying to get some looks at the puppies. All of these puppies will go through the adoption process this week. So I know those families that are involved in that are excited as we are. It's a beautiful litter. All of them are apricots and caramels with some white. All the puppies are very similar in size, and they're doing great, having fun, playing with each other, as you can see. But this is Black Boy. You can see he is a caramel. He is occupied playing, and this is Pink Girl here. She has a little bit of white on her feet. And running around is Purple Girl. So I can get a picture of her. And she's gonna pee. And then this is Cameo, or Camo. Very sweet litter. They are continuing to live in the larger whelping box, using the potty station pretty well. We've started with them on taking treats by hand, still working on that. And we've been doing a lot of other puppy culture training with the grooming. We started teeth brushing, grooming with an electric toothbrush. We're doing resource guarding. And they're all just as sweet as they can be. That's Camo and Pink Girl and Purple Girl there with Denise now. A couple of them found the toys and played. And let's get Denise is going to help me. We'll get a look at each one real quick. Check out our video that we posted a couple of days ago on the puppies playing with this group in the Richmond area. And this is Pink Girl. And she's got a sweet little face, a little bit of white on her chest. And she is a caramel color. And this is Black Boy. And he's going to be a little bit darker apricot probably. It's a little bit of white on him. But he's a sweet little fella. This is Orange Girl. A little bit of white on her feet. And you can see her, she has a caramel curl. Let's see her face. She has a sweet little thing. This is Kenny. It's a little bit of white on his head, a bit of white on his belly. And we'll look at his face. He's a sweet fella. And then Purple Girl. Purple Girl's like Kenna, has a little bit of white on her face, her chin, a bit on her feet. She's a little bit darker than him. She's probably a light caramel color. And that is all of Autumn's 8-4 21 litter. And again, the purpose of this video is just to let you see the puppies, how they're growing. This is a very typical Australian Labradoodle litter with the caramels and the apricots. All these puppies have sweet temperaments, very loving, like to play, and I think the families that are selecting this week are going to love these puppies. Thanks for joining us, and check out our next video and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you.